Hi, everyone, and welcome to my laundry room. Not a very glamorous place to be, but that's where we are today because I wanted to show you something I found recently. Not sponsored, I don't do that. I found these. These are Arm& Hammer Power Sheets. Now, in an RV, the less weight you have to carry, the better off you all are. So, I heard about these and I thought, maybe I should try these. Just go there. They're like this little sheet. It's kind of feels like sort of like foam. It disappears. It dissolves completely, which is very cool. You can use hot or cold water. I'm going to put two in here right now because it's a bigger load. And that's all. And off it goes. I have used washer sheets before, that washer dryer combo, but it never really was a very good dryer sheet. So I'm still using, my bounce dryer sheets. But this these are awesome. Yeah. So totally recommend. Bye.